Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I can raise my shoulder with pride and say, I have the most beautiful and caring woman in the universe. You have quality it rebukes that most men are craving for in a woman, and I am blessed to have you in my life. You crank, understanding, loving, and supportive. You we made me into a better man. Whom I am proud of today. You know that I love you right well. I do always have and always will. For as long as there sa breath in me, I will always cherish, respect, and love you. It is a beautiful thing to fall in love with. Show me one as special and beautiful as you are, because I'd be a fool not. To my word is a perfect and beautiful place to live in, because of you my love you everything to me. You simply the best for me, and I am glad to be with you. I love you dearly, beautiful, even when it when I took I was done with love. You came into my life and taught me how to love all over again. You did not only teach me, but you also showed me with your unconditional love and care from me, and you also swallowed me when there is no reason to thanks dear for not loving me. To my friends, I love you beyond words, sweetheart, regardless of all my imperfections and flaws. You still love me just the way I am. It is most have been benevolence to have found you and be with you, because it is hard finding someone as special, beautiful, and caring as you are. I must be one hell of a lucky man to have you, my baby. I love you more than you now. Hell, oh beautiful parents, here is a quick reminder that I will spend my entire life adoring and treating you like the prince you and a queen in making. I will always cherish and treat you right until the end of time. I will always be there for you wherever and whenever you need me. Love you always, my one and only everything that I had and will ever. have revolved around you, my love, so I commenting my left I am to always make you feel better and stronger and happier than ever before. I vow to be the best, caring and loving and understanding. My you we always seen in me and wanted me to be. I love you so much more than you could ever imagine. You we changed my world for the better. With your unconditional love and care for me, I love everything about you, baby. You we added so much value and meaning to my life with your words of wisdom and encouragement as you always inspire me to be a better person and every day. You know that I love you, right? Will I do ever science? We met and I end up falling in love with you. I have been in a word which I couldn't have fantasized about without you, my dressed. You we changed my interpretation about love with the way you care and love me unconditionally and I promise to love you twice as much. I love you tenderly, my love. Be it is not possible for me to stay a day without telling you how much I love you and how much you me and to me, because for me to live beautiful is you. You re the woman behind the realization of all my dreams. I am blessed to have you because without you I don't know where I would be today. I love you so much, my one and only